गाइस, फैसू हियर और आप देख रहे हैं मुझे बोल इंडिया पे। और अब सच देखेगा इंडिया।
बोल इंडिया, सच की आवाज। अब सच देखेगा इंडिया।
फाइटें कर लो जल्दी कर। आ रहे हैं नहीं आ रहे? चलो अब टाइम।
Preparation, we have 21 tracks in this album, 21 tracks in the album, and it's all Punjabi songs by Speed Records, and I'm really looking forward that you would like it. And Polygram is being very close to my heart always, and I want to thank Speed Records and Times Music to have me the opportunity to present the remixes, and I'm super excited for Polygram Reloaded. Yay!
What's your preparation about your album and all the coming projects? So what's your preparation about it?
So I've been collaborating with a lot of artists, and a lot of artists have been lined up, and a lot of music is coming up. So we've got a lot of artists, Punjabi artists as well as the Bollywood singers. So there are a lot of original songs in lineup. But this one is a remix album, 21 tracks together, and I guess Sidhu Moosewala's first track has been released. Second track just released today with Miss Pooja. So I guess I've got the opportunity to work with a lot of legends in Punjabi music. So I'm really happy about it and super excited for Polygram Reloaded. I hope you all guys like it.
What do you want to play tonight? Is you going to play something or not?
Yes, it's a Punjabi night at Metro Andheri. We are having the Polygram Reloaded album launch, and I'm super excited to play some Punjabi music right here tonight. So, yeah. Thank you so much. Thank you.
You start.
Vicky, what do you want to say about tonight? What do you want to play inside and what do you think? What do you say about it?
Actually, it's a big night and a big night for DJ Rink, Polygram, an exclusive album of her. I'm just doing one track for her. It's called Sonie. It's already a big hit and we've done a mashup for it. So I'd like to congratulate her for the whole album basically.
And I want to thank the legendary DJ right here, Vicky. I know him from last 20 years, and he's been killing it for so many years. And I'm really fortunate to have a song from his kitty to my album. But he's done an amazing, fabulous job. Today only the song has been released. I guess everybody's liking it, and the numbers are just increasing and increasing. Thank you, Vicky.
Inside tonight. So what
Absolutely.
do you say, Vicky? What do you say about
It's an opportunity to play along with him, and it's been so many years. I've always seen him perform, and I've always dreamed about performing like him. And today I've got the opportunity to play alongside.
Ring is said to be India's #1 female DJ and she's come a long way. So all the best wishes to her. Keep rocking all over the world.
Thank you so much for the blessings. Thank you, everybody. Thank you.
सबसे पहले मैं बहुत सारी मुबारक देना चाहता हूँ इंडिया के #1 फीमेल डीजे रिंग को, और मुझे बहुत खुशी है इनकी जो एल्बम लॉन्च है उस पर, और मैं चाहता हूँ कि दिन दोगुनी रात चौगुनी तरक्की करें। और शायद मैं पिछले 2-3 साल से इनके साथ हूँ, और शायद मुझे नहीं लगता मुझसे ज़्यादा खुशी और किसी को इस वक्त पे मैं बहुत प्राउड फील कर रहा हूँ इन पे, क्योंकि ये अपने साथ साथ जो इनसे आर्टिस्ट हैं जो नए अभी स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं तो ये उनको भी चांस दे रहे हैं, तो न्यू डीजेस को, न्यू सिंगर्स को, न्यू रैपर्स को। और जब मैं स्ट्रगलिंग के दौर में था तब इन्होंने मेरा तब भी बहुत साथ दिया, तो मैं इस चीज़ के लिए आपको थैंक यू करना चाहता हूँ कि मेरे साथ बने रहे आप हमेशा, और आगे भी आप लोगों की ऐसी ज़िंदगी संवारते रहिए और भगवान आपकी भी ज़िंदगी संवारे।